Hi, I'm Carla Ramirez, and I'm here with the owner of El Sombrero restaurant in Manhattan Beach. It's got 2 locations. Jose Lamas, thank you for being here today.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me.
El Sombrero is such a huge success and a landmark in Manhattan Beach, the Manhattan Beach neighborhood. Tell us a little bit about how you got started and how it's gotten to be so successful over the years.
The Sombrero started in 1975. The Sombrero started with my father and the other person. The name is Arek Abramian. He's from Armenian, and they start together. The Arek Abramian, he started with the money, and my father, he started with the food. So they start together. When I came from Mexico, I was like 19 years old.
Okay.
19 years old. And from 1980, I am there in the same place. When the accident or the fire happened in 2006, November.
2006, there was a fire, so you got to unfortunately experience your policy.
I want to explain to you how I feel with farmers.
Yeah, please.
Because after the fire, I don't call to farmers. They know the fire.
They knew right
At
away.
the moment they came to looking for me. They was there and they looking for me, and we start they start to cover. We start to talking about
the loss of income.
Exactly, that's
the loss
income
of
and everything.
use.
Yeah. So when they help with the cover, the insurance cover, and they help to the employees too for 18 months or.
They also pay employees salaries,
yeah,
so
exactly,
they can relocate.
Yeah, the farmers, they were there when I need the insurance help. They were there, and I never called to anybody, to farmers, and I say, oh please, I need help. No.
Right, you never had to ask.
Right,
like the other restaurants had different insurance companies, and you got to witness how they had to wait and complain and make calls, and you had to do none of that with farmers.
Yeah, for example, my neighbor, the business, they were working with somebody else. I don't know the name, but they were working with somebody else. And after the fire, after the insurance, the farmers helped me, they asked to me, the insurance they paid to you? Yeah, they paid a long time ago. Oh, like 6 months later.
Wow.
And they say, oh, our insurance, they never covered nothing.
They didn't cover and they didn't pay?
No,
oh my gosh.
not the moment, after 6 months. So, after we reopen the business, I invite to these neighbors to start with farmers.
Of course.
And they did.
Yes.
They are with farmers. So I invite to anybody to start with farmers. Change from somebody from the insurance to farmers. Because the farmers, we need to call to somebody else or 3 times to the different.
Right. You don't have to chase them. They're just there for you. They're paying. Yeah, I mean, this is the same experience we have with our adjusters, and that's why I personally, as a business owner, is the same thing. I could sell for any other company, but that's one of my favorite things about selling for farmers is I know their adjusters are going to be there. They're in-house. They care, and they will release $1 on day 1. You don't have to wait.
No, I don't need to wait nothing. So they pay at the moment, and now I have my cars and my home, I need my business and anything I have with farmers.
Well, thank you.
I am very, very proud with farmers because the employees, they are very nice. So I like the service with farmers.
Yes,
so,
it's one of our missions to be very personal, to always have a voice for you to get when you call corporate, internally, at the adjuster level, at every level. Like, that is our mission. So I'm glad that we were able to do that for you in the 2 incidents that you've had now. I'm glad that you've had such a wonderful experience. That's what we want.
Thank you. I am glad, because I work with farmers, and if I live for more years, I go to stay with farmers.
Awesome.
I never go to change farmers.
Thank you.
this true. I never moved from farmers, and they don't pay nothing to me. Listen, they don't pay nothing for this interview. So this is
Thank you.
this is from my heart. So because I feel this, I am appreciative. You know, like
Yeah, we're so
like
appreciative
your job
of you.
and
Yeah.
everything, farmers.
Thank
So
you.
like you is somebody they can ask to me later outside how's farmers. I say farmers the number one,
Thank
the
you.
number one. So
I'm so glad that. you
yeah, me
feel
too.
that.
Yeah.
And everybody, I mean, if you haven't been to El Sombrero, go. If you live in Manhattan Beach, you better go and try them. They've got 2 locations.
We had a Taco Tuesday. We have the special price in the tacos, a special price in the beers and everything. So I invite to come and to try our food. So that's very good. And we had the best prices.
Taco Tuesday.
The best prices, yeah, the best
We have
prices
to
in
go. We
Manhattan
have to
Beach.
go after.
And the food we cook all day, so the food is very fresh. So I invite to everybody to our business,
That's so
and
good.
I invite to everybody to the farmers too,
Thank you.
because
Oh,
we are the number one in the business, and the farmers they are the number one too.
yes, so we're number 1 in insurance. So
Yeah.
listen to Jose. If you own a restaurant or if you own a business, give us a call. We will put together a package of protections so that if you have a fire or any incident, you will have the right coverage and you will be able to get back as soon as possible into business again.
And I hope so. We never
Have another claim.
another accident, you know.
No worries.
But we never know. We never know. So.
Exactly.
But for the 2 times, I am very glad, you know, because they cover at the moment, they help to us at the moment.
Yeah. Well, thank you so
I am
much.
very glad. No,
Thank you for
my
sharing your
pleasure.
words.
thank you.
Thanks for coming in.
Oh, thank you. For me, I feel very proud, you know, to talk with you and with more.
Thanks.